Hello and welcome to this tutorial that will show you how to read. Reading is an extremely important skill that everyone should learn how to do. Even as we speak, I am reading from an auto cue. Zoom in. The main reason why you should learn how to read is so that you can order food from a takeaway menu. Also, without being able to read, you may struggle to get certain types of jobs, such as a librarian or an English teacher. So it is really essential that you learn this skill. And without further ado, we will begin the How to Read tutorial. Let's begin. How to read. To start off your reading journey, I have hand-picked some words that will appear on your screen so that we can both read them together. So let's begin now. Big. This word is big. Excellent. We can now move on. You've read this word. The next word is eat. Eat. This word is eat. Well, you can see it on the screen. I don't even need to repeat this. You can see it. I don't need to pronounce this word, which we all know. Dog. This word reads as dog. Pneumonia. What on earth is this word? Sis. Car. Brilliant work, everyone! You have read some words off the screen. Now I think you're ready to take on some more advanced reading. I have a few books that I can go through with you. These will develop your reading skills very quickly, so let's go through some of them now, shall we? This book is one of my favourites, and I just can't get enough of it. It is entitled Reader's Digest, Illustrated Guide to Gardening. Now this book has so much to offer in terms of pages and depth. It's got a lot of depth in it. There's lots of stuff happening here, and it's nice to the touch. It's a good touch book, and it also has the option to open it as well. So let's just open it. You can see there's like a page here. What else have we got? There's some text. So let's just read some of this text now, shall we? Plank, edge plank, garden, new lawn. And this is why I love the book. It's all about the gardening and stuff. It's got all kinds of stuff in here. What is this? It's got even more stuff. Okay, that fell. I like how it's got loose items. There's lots of loose items. It's got a book within a book. Your Guide to Better Gardening. So this book is just full of surprises. It's got pictures. Okay, it's gone back to the beginning. You have to be quick with the book because it likes to do all kinds of stuff. It's falling apart everywhere. And it's got more text as well. Now this is just one of many books that I read that you should be reading too. So it's a great read, and I'll be shocked if you haven't already read this book to improve your reading skills. And I'll just show you other books that I like to read. So this one is called My Favourite Girls Colouring Book. It is a very good book. I've just started reading it and I'm hooked. It's just got so much to offer. So I recommend this one if you haven't already. It's good. And this book I've actually just finished reading. It is called Catch It, Kitty. I highly recommend you reading this yourself. I can go through some of it with you now, just to help you brush up on your reading. So here's the kitty page. That's the first kitty page, and then there's more to it. See, this is like one of my favourite pages. There's not that much text on it, which I like, so it's easy to get through, and you feel like you're getting through more pages. So here is the kitty, and he's got some sort of red ball. It's just like looking at the ball, which is good. And then we can go to the next page. We haven't even got to the beginning yet, which is good. Catch it, kitty. It's the same as the title. Very similar, which is good. It's got the ball again. And there's some other animals. There's a rodent here, a little rodent. And then you've got a little bit of hay. There's a bit of hay at the bottom. And then you've got some sort of rabbit creature. And looks like a dog. So that's good. And then you can turn the page. And then we've got some text at the top here. Don't need to go through with you that now because we're practicing reading. So don't need to do that. And on the right we've got the ball. The ball makes a return and the kitty is looking at the ball. So there's a common theme within the book that the kitty looks at the ball. Just turn the page again, see what else is happening. I don't want to go through all of the book because it will be like a spoiler, and I don't want to spoil this book for you completely. But we can see the kitty, and the ball's now a different shape. So the kitty. Yeah, turn the page again. This page is different because there's a dog here. But this one has the kitty. The ball is still intact. It's quite exciting. So you always got the kitty and the ball together. They're like a unit, not one single unit. Turn. This time the kitty is here, and then the ball is here. So we've got the kitty here, and the ball is here. I'll just go through one more page with you. Once again, the kitty, the ball, kitty and the ball. So that's pretty much Catch It Kitty. It features a kitty and a ball. And I highly recommend this book. It is a very fun, entertaining book, one that I can't put down. I can't really put this down. So I'm confident that you will really enjoy it as well. So I hope I've helped you to improve your reading skills. If you need additional help with your reading, then I highly recommend that you rewind this video and go back to the beginning and then play. And then that should help to get you up to speed with reading. Now I'm going to just continue my reading because it's really enjoyable. So I'm going to catch you all later. See you. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. It's good. Good page. That's really fascinating. I'm reading a lot here. I didn't know that. Lovely. I thought I would just show you one more book that I've been reading, and this is one that I really recommend that you read yourself to really improve your reading skills. And it is called King Arthur's Camelot. And there's a picture of a castle. So I'll just give you a brief introduction of this book. Let's just open it now. And this is the book. And I don't want to give too much of the story away, but there is a castle involved, and this is probably like where the king and queen live. But I don't want to spoil it for you too much, so I recommend this little drawbridge. Drawbridge here, it's good. So I recommend you getting a book like this. It's really fascinating. Yeah. It's the castle. It's more of the castle. It's good. It's a good book. I read this a lot. It's not my first time that I've picked this book up to read it. I've never got to the end though. Don't know where the end is. But I'm enjoying the story nonetheless. Maybe you will too. So I'm going to continue reading this book, and I'll catch you later. see you. Ooh. Didn't know that happened.